Questions and answers in English. Q1. Write the difference between hardware and software. Answer. Hardware, the physical parts of a computer, e.g. monitor, keyboard. Software, the programs that make the computer work, e.g. MS Word. Q2. What is the internet? Answer. The internet is a worldwide network of computers that are connected to each other and exchange information. Q3. Write 3 main uses of MS Word. Answer. 1. Creating and editing documents. 2. Inserting tables, charts, and images. 3. Printing documents or saving them in digital form. Q4. Explain the importance of digital skills. Answer. Digital skills help us to use computers, smartphones, and the internet effectively. They are useful in education, business, banking, communication, and entertainment. In today's time, digital skills are necessary for both jobs and business. Q5. Explain the function of antivirus software. Answer. Antivirus software protects the computer from viruses, malware, and other harmful programs. It scans and removes harmful files and ensures the safety of data. With answers banaकर देता हूँ. ICT skills, objective questions with answers. Q1. Which of the following is hardware? A. MS Word. B. Monitor. C. Antivirus. Answer. Monitor. Q2. Which of the following is software? A. Keyboard. B. Printer. MS Word. Mouse. Answer C. MS Word. Q3. Internet is A. A type of software. B. A worldwide network of computers. C. An input device. D. A programming language. Answer. B. A worldwide network of computers. Q4. Which of the following is not an input device? A. Keyboard. B. Mouse. C. Scanner. D. Monitor. Answered. Monitor. Q5. Which software protects the computer from viruses? MS Excel. Windows. C. Antivirus. D. PowerPoint. Answer. C. Antivirus. Q6. Digital skills are useful in A. Education, business, banking. D. All of the above. Answer. All of the above. Q7. Which of the following is used to create and edit documents? A. MS Paint. B. MS Word. C. Antivirus. D. Calculator. Answer B. MS Word. Q8. A computer cannot work without A. Hardware. B. Software. C. Both hardware and software. None of these. Answer C. Both hardware and software. Chapter 1. Communication skills from your screenshots. Q1. What is the purpose of communication? A. To inform. B. To influence. C. To share thoughts, ideas, and emotions. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Q2. Which method is used to receive information from the sender? Listening. Speaking. C. Saying. D. Writing. Answer. A. Listening. Q3. By which action can a sender send his message? A. Listening. B. Speaking. Sleeping. D. None of the above. Answer. B. Speaking. Q4. Choose the correct example of verbal communication. A. Report. Newspaper. C. Face-to-face conversation. D. Comments. Answer. C. Face-to-face conversation. Q5. When we communicate verbally, what kind of words should we use? A. Direct words. B. Simple words. C. Accurate words. Fixed words. Answer C. Accurate words. Q6. Why do we send emails? A. To listen to communication. B. To share documents and files. C. To talk with each other. Both. A and B. Answer. B. To share documents and files. Q7. Which of the following is a positive facial expression? A. Working hard. B. Nodding while listening. C. Wrinkles on forehead. D. Looking away from speaker. Answer. Nodding while listening. Q8. A straight body posture shows A. Shyness. Work. C. Self-confidence. D. Intelligence. Answer. C. Self-confidence. Q9. Which of the following is not a nonverbal communication at work? A. Hand on colleague's shoulder. B. Firm handshake. C. Looking at speaker with a smile. D. Standing straight. Answer. Looking at speaker with a smile. 10. While preparing a presentation, what should you do? A. Focus on the message. B. Practice hand gestures. C. Try speaking techniques. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Q11. Which of the following is a formal greeting? Good morning. Good evening. C. Good afternoon. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Q12. At what time do you say good morning? A. 11 a.m. B. 9 a.m. C. 2 p.m. D. 7 a.m. 7 a.m. 2. Self-management skills. Q1. Not included in self-management is A. Self-confidence. B. Time management. C. Laziness. D. Stress management. Answer C. Laziness. Q2 in SMART goals, S stands for A. Small, simple, C. Short, D. Specific. Answer D. Specific. Q3. A benefit of time management is A. Reduction of stress. B. Increase in stress. C. Wastage of time. None of these. Answer A, reduction of stress, Q4. Which method is helpful in dealing with stress? A, anger, meditation, C, laziness, ignoring. Answer, meditation. The meaning of self-motivation is A, motivating others, B, demotivating others, C, waiting for motivation, D, motivating oneself. Answer D, motivating oneself. Which habit helps in self-management? A, daily routine, B, laziness, C, irregular habits, D, anger. Answer A, daily routine, Q7. What should be done after failure? A, leave everything, B, learn from experience, C, get disappointed, stop trying. Answer B, learn from experience. Q8, essential for self-confidence is A, anger, B, laziness, C, positive thinking. Answer C, positive thinking. Q9, the benefit of a timetable is A, delay in work, discipline in work, C, stress in work, laziness. Answer B, discipline in work, Q10. Goal setting is part of A, self-management skills, B, ICT skills, D, entrepreneurial skills. Answer A, self-management skills, Chapter 3, ICT skills. Q1, the brain of the computer is A, monitor, B, CPU, C, keyboard, D, mouse. Answer B, CPU. Q2, MS Word is operating system, B, word processor software, C, hardware, D, antivirus. Answer word processor software. Q3, for internet browsing, we need A, MS Word, B, web browser, C, antivirus, D, printer. Answer B, web browser. Q4, Google Chrome is A, operating system, B, web browser, C, hardware, D, virus. Web browser. Q5, to protect a computer from viruses, we use A, MS Word, B, Windows, C, antivirus software, D, PowerPoint. Answer C, antivirus software.